Alrighty, look what's back. A drone construction update for you guys. So we have some exciting things to go over, but I just wanted to show you guys firsthand that not too much had taken place on the actual mountain. So nothing at the top of the mountain has occurred yet. No vertical construction has started in the station area. In fact, next to nothing at all has happened in that area. There is still going to be a lot of demolition that needs to occur in AlpenFest, but obviously maybe they're going to wait until the off season for that. A lot of the footings are marked over here near International Showplace. You can see those bright orange dots. And yeah, so with not much going on in that area, they are working heavily in the Extreme Skyflyer plot of land. So as you can see here, they're marking the footings right in between that tree line there. They're going to have to go in and cut those trees down. I don't know if they're going to try and keep them. I don't think they can. I can't remember how low that section is. But yeah, those trees are definitely going to have to go. As you can see, there's the orange markings in between. It must suck to go in those trees and have to mark those. Because those are some pretty prickly trees. But yeah, nonetheless, as you can see, they're starting to mark the footings that head out because they are well on their way with the footings over in Extreme Skyflyer. So I'll grab, you'll see in a second, I have shots from across Jane near the high school. So there's going to be some better shots from over there. But nonetheless, I'm trying to think if there's anything else I need to talk about in this area. They're working on the, almost like the, where you race up into the element. No new track has arrived, which is quite shocking. So I was expecting at least one more shipment by now, but yeah, it's not here. Still just the station pieces right there. Nothing outside of that has arrived yet. But back to Extreme Skyflyer. As you can see here, they got those caissons while in the work. So the anchor bolts, I think is what they're called, will be installed on top of these, and then they'll pour them. So when we go in on Friday at 6 p.m., you'll probably be able to see a lot of that's done. As you can see, there's some 2 orange dots there as well. So I'm kind of excited to see this in person on Friday. It's been weird not being able to visit the park and document the construction every day. But yeah, it's definitely progressed a little slower than I was expecting when I flew. So hopefully they got a lot done, and when we go in on Friday, that we'll see a lot. But yeah, nonetheless, it will start to get exciting, you know, when they do a little bit of that mountain demolition. I'm kind of excited for that. I'm also excited to look inside the mountain and see what they've done in there. Anyways, hope you guys are excited that the drone updates are back with park permission. And thanks so much. Have a good one, guys. Bye.